Hi, I'm Rylie Teeter, and I'm going to be sharing with you how to set up your FreeStep for optimal use. First of all, make sure that your handles are set to a length that you're not letting your body be pulled forward. You want to keep those shoulders back and square. If you're shorter, you might find that this is easier to do if the handles are in their alternate position, which is located down like this. Now, adjusting the handles is also a great way to target different body positions. When they're in the upright position, like they just were, you're able to target your chest and back. And when they're in this position, you're targeting, in this case, the biceps. And with your hands on top and pushing down, you're targeting the triceps, which is the little bat wings here at the bottom. So adjusting the handles to fit exactly what you're wanting to target as far as muscles, but also getting to the most comfortable state. I personally, if I'm gonna go for a long stint, this is my favorite position right here. And I like to just push down because it's always those triceps that are pesky and something that I'm constantly worried about working on and toning and tightening up. So another thing you want to do is every time you jump on the FreeStep, you do want to push this blue button to reset your time, distance, and calories burned. You'll see everything there right in front of you as you're exercising. The most important adjustment is the seat height itself and your foot position on the pedals. You want to make sure that your knees aren't traveling too far over your toes, which can happen if your seat is too low or your feet are too far back. So both of these need to be worked together, and you just need to play with the different settings. So how you adjust the seat, one of the easiest ways is to just stand here and pull up. I find that a good rule of measurement is getting the seat about to the top of the thigh here, right underneath your butt. And that's usually a pretty optimal setup for getting you in the position that I'm talking about. Typically, the feet are near the front end of the pedals versus way at the bottom in the back. And you'll feel a big difference when you get in the right position. Too far back, you're gonna feel a lot more motion in the ankle joints. In the right position, those things are just easy stepping motion, driving at equal force through all the joints. Another thing you're gonna wanna look at is the seat recline. And that's right here. It's kind of fun to adjust it to different positions. As you lean back further, you're able to really drive through the glutes. But you know what? This isn't maybe a position that you want to always be in. So this is a good isolation to just get those butt muscles. There is also the resistance, and you just turn right here. And depending on what you're focusing on, if you're going for a nice long steady state workout, which means keeping at the same level of resistance, pick something moderate that you can feel comfortable doing for a long period of time. If you're trying to isolate muscles and really help build muscle growth, then you should dial it up until those muscles feel a bit exerted as you're going through the motion. If you're trying to work on muscle definition, then you want to dial up the resistance so that they have to work a bit harder. So all these different adjustments are really designed to allow you to customize your experience, get the results that you're looking for, and feel your best while getting a great workout. I hope I've answered your questions, and just know at Teeter, we've got your back.